Hello, dear kids. I am your host, Lily. Now I am telling you about some farm animals. I know both of you are all like farm animals. In this category, many animals fall, but in this video, I will show you some animals. Dun 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 dun. Opening is so beautiful. I also like unboxing. The sound is so amazing. First of all, here we go with the duck. Quack quack, oh quack quack, oh quack quack. All the farmers like duck because she eats everything. She live in water. She live on earth. She live in grass. She's very cute bird. This fallen bird, but farm animals. Okay, farm animals also contains a birds like goose, like duck, like hen, and the rooster. Rooster is the most like bird of the farmer. Farmer like the bird cock cock cock. Cuckoo. Yes, he is the most personality and most like bird to the farmers. Here we go. And the next is the goose. The goose. The goose. Goose are in many colors, but in this package that I bought from the bazaar, this color of goose. Quack, 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 quack. There's a little bit difference between the duck and goose. Okay, guys? And the most like and the most favorite animal of farm for the every living being is cow. Bah, 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 because we drink milk. We use milk in many categories. We use milk in bakings. We use milk in butter. We use milk as a yogurt. We use milk as a some desserts. Okay, she's a Holstein Friesian black dots. I love this cow. Bah, 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 bah. And the next category is most favorite for every person on the human earth. Dun, dun, dun. This is a horse. Horse is very nice guy. Oh, I am just kidding. Horse is very nice animal. Most farmers use them for riding purpose and for also for their hobby to ride, to ride, to ride, to run. Okay, here we go. The next is the most funny creature, the sheep. Peh, peh. I just saw some videos on the YouTube where some sheep hit very badly. Farmers also like it because she's very gentle animal for some. And that's a pet. Dog also liked by farmers, by the householding means, and by the every person. Mostly pupils like dogs for their uh, lovely behavior, for their gentle behavior, for the love, and but the farmers like the most dog because they are very responsible animals. Okay, and the next of some funny animals. Mew. Mew. Some farmers like Mew, some not, but Mew found everywhere. Hope you kids like our animals. Hope you kids and the you peoples like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel, share our videos, and like. Hope so you like. Tata, bye bye.